Hey guys, Dodge here, and I'm back with more tips on how you can improve your audio. So, you've decided to add background music to your narrations. That's great! Just make sure that the music you add isn't so loud that it makes your listeners have to struggle to hear you. For example, finding the right balance between my voice and background music can be tricky. I'm honestly still trying to figure that out myself. Since it's something I still struggle with, I upload my videos to YouTube and watch the whole video before making it public. That way, I'm able to hear the video the same way my viewers will. If you have any tips on how to find the right volume for your background music, please leave them in the comments below. I'm sure everyone here would really appreciate it. And don't forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will be back soon with more tips on how you can improve your audio.